and welcome into, we're going to call this On the Go because we want you to go. We have something really special coming up. It's called Art Splash. We talk about this every year, and it supports Montgomery Christian School. There is not a better thing to support than that.
Thank you.
It just isn't. But it's an amazing, fun, you get to look at beautiful art, you have great food, you have a great purpose, and that is going to be, I'm going to let Pam McLemore, who's the executive director at Montgomery Christian School, and she and Ann Amsler, y'all plan this, and everybody works on this, actually. It's a really good thing. Tell us when, where, what, and how to support it.
Wonderful. May 9th is when, which is extremely important. We actually have 2 parties that you can attend. The first one is the preview party from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. The second one is what we call the sponsor party. Super fun from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, and it'll be a wonderful time from that. It's actually 6:30 to 9 o'clock. It'll be a wonderful time together. Like you said, we're in our 12th year. Art Splash is a unique event. It's not only a fundraiser for our students, but we get to go to Tom and Amy Methvin's home, a beautiful home, 1919 Hull Street, along with being together, really celebrating our artists. We usually have over 30 artists, and I believe that we have even topped that this year, which is exciting. Anywhere from Natalie Stanley to Barbara Davis to Ruthie Carlson. It's amazing to not only celebrate the artists, but we get to celebrate our students as well. Because at Montgomery Christian School, every child is on scholarship, and that is a joy for the community to come together, support the arts, and support a wonderful, quality, academically challenging education that our great elementary students get at Montgomery Christian School through Art Splash.
So and the artwork is beautiful.
It is
and
beautiful.
And it's an auction. I mean, you bid on it, and it's so fun to watch. You know,
and it's online.
And it's online too. You can do that.
And you can go to montgomerychristianschool.org, and on the top there's a little button that you can push, and you can go straight to buy your ticket online. You can also call us at Montgomery Christian School. Swing by. People love seeing our students, and it's a joy to be able to have people in the building. And you can buy a ticket there. You can also start bidding through our website as well.
Well, you have a lot of beautiful things, and Tom and Amy are so kind to open their home.
Yes.
And like you said, it is absolutely exquisite. The gardens are beautiful. And,
They are.
And it's just, even if it's the first time you've ever been, it's just an experience. And to think that you can go and enjoy the wonderful food, the drinks, the everything there is delightful, and you're helping to change the life of a child.
Exactly.
Now, I can't think of anything better than that, personally.
Thank you. Well, it's a unique event, and we hope everybody comes.
Well, now, if I wanted to buy tickets, tell me, what am I looking at as far as price? How can I help?
Okay, if you want to buy a ticket, it depends on if you want to go to the afternoon or to the evening. And like I said, you can go to montgomerychristianschool.org. You can buy your ticket there. You can also call our school, ask for either Pam McLemore or Ann Amster, and we would love to help you to get a ticket. We can also help getting you online to bid on the beautiful auction pieces.
That's nice, because a lot of us are not real techie, so they'll set you up.
Actually, yes, at the party we have somebody to the side that helps with technology, which is good. Actually, I'm not very techie either, so we came up with that for people like me. But it is such a unique event, and it's become really an amazing gala that people can come to from all different backgrounds and enjoy a time of celebrating education and the arts and the beautiful history of Montgomery.
Well, so often there are a lot of things where you just give the money, but with this, you have something beautiful to enrich your life, and you enrich the life of a child. So it's just a double joy to me.
Thank
and
you.
like you said, I love the fact that the children are there. Some of the students are there. And they do some pretty good artwork themselves.
They do. And also this year we do have a service dog coming along too, because he comes and reads to our students, so that will be extra fun. And then if you think about it, not only do you get to purchase art that so many of us enjoy, while you are purchasing art, you know that you're also helping a child and a family. And I think there's nothing like buying something for a reason, for a purpose, and knowing that you've done something, not only supporting the artist,
Right.
but you've supported Montgomery. And that's really what Art Splash is about. I do want to also say that at Art Splash this year, we will be announcing where we will be moving. So I hope everybody comes to hear this big announcement about the growth of Montgomery Christian School.
I love it. So you're going to let us know where
We are.
because you've got to enlarge. You've been so successful, and the kids, the scores for these children are just mind-boggling. They are doing so beautifully, and then you've grown, so you're going to have a bigger place. So you've been working on it. We're going to have a capital campaign going, and you'll find out where it's going to be and how you can continue to help these children, because they're just beautiful.
Thank
I
you.
love
Thank
what
you
you're
for
doing.
having me. We're excited for Art Splash.
Well, Art Splash, May the 9th. Be sure you get in touch, and I hope you've enjoyed some of the shots of some of the art, and we always enjoy you.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much for having us.
Thank you, and we'll be right back.